Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but guys, we're gonna see what's in the box. Okay, I got this box from the TikTok shop and we want to see what's in there. All right, ready? Let's go. All right, here we go. Woohoo! Okay, so we have some instant latte. Okay, let me see the flavors. Oh, so there's quite a few of these. Vanilla latte, I'm gonna try this one for sure. What's that? Okay, so this is a sleep support lights out gummy. Okay, and we have some all-in-one protein smoothie powder. So there's 3 flavors here. Okay, and then we have a bunch of what's this? What flavor is this? I'm not seeing the flavor on that one. Okay, I don't know. See the flavor on that one? Oh, so these are, oh, this is a lemon lime. Okay, Electrolyte. Okay. Okay, this is a lot. This is pineapple coconut. This must taste good. It's a lot, and I'm not even gonna edit it. Okay, passion fruit black tea, I'm not gonna edit anything. I'm just gonna upload it. I'm gonna try this one for real. Coconut. Oh, and you have these little super food. These, you just add water to a lot of these. So it's a bunch. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all the flavors and everything, but as you can see, it's a lot. It is a lot. Okay, so guys, now you see what's in the box, and I'll see you guys more video.